Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Edit With Me. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for spending time with me on my channel today. Today I am talking about getting a new tablet to work with for like digital drawing and different projects like that, so I don't end up like with a claw from using my mouse so much. So I'm just gonna open it up, plug it in, figure out how to get it working, and oh man, wrong side! Yeah, I'm just gonna open it up, get it plugged in, get it started, get things going with it, and hopefully be able to do some work today. So if that seems like something you're interested in, stay tuned, because I guess we'll see if this thing works. I just bought what Amazon told me to buy, so let's get into it. Okie dokie. I'm gonna get started on exploring this new Wacom tablet that I got on Amazon. Here we go. So I love the cute little design they have on the front. This is the XP pin. Pressure sensitivity, 11.6 inch, 92 pressure sensitivity. I don't know. Ah, it just folds. Remove the protective film before use. It's pretty big. Let's see. Oh, what is this? A little book. Let's see. Warranty, I guess the little glove. Graphic pen. That. Always need those. What is this? Cables. Let's see. Cables, we'll get into that, I guess. What is all this? Look at all this stuff. Oh, I guess these are like international plugs. Is that what these are? That's pretty cool. I have to go back in. Oh my gosh. Genius at work here. There it is. Oh, and this is the American one. Okay. And then what is this? I guess this is the pen. Wait, what is this? Oh, nibs? Aha, very cool. Okay, so I think that's all. Should I do that? No, that's just the box. Close this up. Out of the way. So let's see how we get into this thing. Okay. Is that the protective film, or is there a, oh, there's another layer. Oh, this is the best. Yay! I love that. So let's also look at this. Let's see. Okay, so there's one plug and it's got all kinds of different things going on here. Connect with power adapter. I have to see, like, got this, an HDMI. Does this, I don't think it connects with that. Does my computer, yeah, my computer's HDMI. Okay. So So it needs a separate power source. Some of you guys are probably going, yes, duh. Okay, into extra. Oh, it plugs into this. Let's try this, see what happens. Yes. Wait. This goes here, right? Okay, I think that's it. So I'm gonna plug it into my computer. I'm looking at the computer, and then I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh. Ah! Wait a second, that's cool. Oh no, I have updates. Alright, 4 minutes. Great. Okay, let's see. Let's see if yeah, let me just turn the mouse off and see what happens. Where's the cursor? There it is. Nothing. What are these buttons? No. Wait, something's happening. Device is ready. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, it's like, maybe like calibrated or something. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so you have to put that USB in. But it's like, what have I done? I don't know if I did something. But yeah, it's like way off where it should be. Okay, so I guess like how do I get to the settings of this? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I clicked this button and it brought up like settings over here. Okay, so you can see. Okay, cool. All right, look at this. Pin settings. Right click eraser. Oh, that's better. Okay, now it's like aligned really well. That was weird. Oh, we're good. All right, so I don't think I need this weird glove. Work area. Oh yeah, see now it works. All right, cool. I guess I just need to go into the settings and mess around a little bit. More touch. I really just wanted to make sure I got this just set up so I could use the mouse properly so that I can do my work in After Effects. All right, well, I'm excited to get started with this work. It's 11 o'clock now and I've got to do a ton of other stuff. So that took a while. You got this far in the video. Give it a thumbs up, give yourself a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my video for more exploratory kind of post-production stuff. Yeah, and stay tuned. I will talk more about how this has helped me in the video, and I'll show you the video project one day. Yeah, so I guess you're gonna have to subscribe and keep checking in on my channel for that one. Yeah, all right, see you guys later.